Hi there, it's Nicola, and in today's video I'm showing you how to make easy bolognese. As always, the recipe can be found in the description box below. I've heated some oil in a frying pan and now I'm adding 1 chopped onion. Now we're going to add 500 grams of turkey mince. And we're just going to give that a stir to break it all up and let it cook with the onion. It's all turned brown now, but we need to cook it till all that water's absorbed. We want it to be really dry. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 400 gram can of chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, and a 300 gram can of chopped mushrooms. Now we're going to give that a really good stir to make sure everything's mixed through. All that's left to add now is some salt and pepper and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. And again, give that a really good mix in. I told you this was easy, didn't I? Now that's all done, we're just going to transfer this to an oven-proof dish. I'm going to cover this loosely with tin foil. Then I'm going to pop it in the oven on 180 Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, gas mark 6, for around about 45 minutes to an hour. And this is the end result. Really easy bolognese, smells absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for watching, I'll see you soon.